Hello and welcome to Kadem. This is a channel from which you will learn the step-by-step procedure in modeling in AutoCAD. You will start by creating the 2D floor plan. You will create elements such as doors, walls and openings for the windows and doors. After creating the openings, you will create the elements such as doors, windows and other elements within the drawing, which include roofs, water closets, wash and basins, showers, etc. After completing the 2D floor plan, you will learn on how to create annotation elements such as labels in the drawing, dimensions, blocks from which you can use to document the drawing. After that, you will learn how to create the 3D walls, and you will also learn on how to create the openings on the walls. After creating the openings on walls, you will also learn on how to create typical windows of different size on different sides of this building. After creating the windows, you will learn on how to create the grooved ring beam going around the building. The next step that you will learn is how to create this roof at this end, molding going around the roof. You will also learn how to mold this barge board along the roof by using the basic commands of AutoCAD. You will also learn on how to create this composite roof just from within AutoCAD. You will also learn on how to create the ridge cap. You will also learn on how to create this chim with its beading work around it. You will also learn on how to create the 3D plane having different levels within the building set. You will also learn on how to create the steps that you use to access the building. You will also learn on how to create this flower pot. You will also learn how to create the beading going around this building. You will also learn on how to create the 3D bases. You will also learn on how to create the louvered window along the curb. You will also learn on how to create this beading along the gable end. You will also learn on how to create the arc along the entrance of this building. You will also learn on how to create the 3D compound wall. You will also learn on how to create the compound within. You will also learn on how to create the 3D compound wall. You will also learn on how to create the 3D compound. You will also learn on how to create this obstacle along the pathway. By the end of 3D model, you will also learn aspects like material assigning, from which you will assign different material textures on different faces of the building. You will also learn on how to create the different views from which you will achieve such a kind of a view. This is a two-point perspective, and the next one is a 3-point perspective. You will also learn to develop such a kind of landscaping features like inserting people, cars and plants from within the model. By the end of this, you will learn on how to do awesome renders in AutoCAD. By the end of this tutorial, you will be given this model to try it on your own. This is the front, this is the side view, other side view, and this the back view. You will be given this model to have a test on how AutoCAD is capable in modeling. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video tutorial.